Hey guys, Mike with Lakeshore RV. I am here with the Keystone Hideout 32LBH. This is a 2022 model, clearanced out at $31,999. For qualified buyers, you're gonna be looking at about $286 a month. Look forward to hearing from you. Reach out to me, call or text me, 231-215-2750. Call us at the store, 231-788-2040, or check us out on the website, lakeshore-rv.com. We ship to your door, we finance nationwide. We've been doing it for 30 years. I look forward to hearing from you. Let's check this thing out. So this camper has an excellent bunkhouse which closes off to the rest of the camper. Also has a really nice bathroom with a stand-up shower room. So this camper is going to be half-ton towable at 7,500 pounds, and you're looking at about 33 foot 4 inches front to back. Again, I look forward to hearing from you. My personal cell phone is 231-215-2750. Call or text me. The store is 231-788-2040. Website is lakeshore-rv.com. And again, keep in mind, we do nationwide financing and we ship to your door. Been doing it forever. Can't wait to help you out. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.